My name is Greg Woleck. I am a production consultant for Remodelers Advantage. I am based in Bethel, Connecticut. My area of focus is really production, but I'm fortunate enough that I get to work with owners, design managers, as well as CFOs within our roundtable organization. So many people in this industry in remodeling, they think for themselves, they work really hard, type A personality, and they care a lot, not only about what they do, about the people that they work for and the people they work with. My approach working with clients is about finding where they're at, finding their strengths, not highlighting their weaknesses. I think it's really important when you work with, whether it's a production manager or an owner, really discover what's the one thing that sets them apart from anyone else in their position. I think my secret sauce comes from the fact that I have been in the field, really just till about 2 years ago. I was still in the field working on jobs. Started with the tools. I loved being a carpenter, and probably besides this role, it's the greatest job I ever had, being a carpenter. I've experienced the trades, I've experienced the business from many different angles, whether as a production manager, a project manager, an estimator. I've been in sales, so I've really experienced a lot, and I've seen a lot of these, typical issues that come up from a lot of different angles, and I feel like I have a lot of strength when it comes to solving those problems for business owners. I think the perfect client for me is someone who has similar core values, who believes in leading with love and continuous learning, someone that likes to just learn new things all the time. I also think an owner that believes in inclusion, believes in service, and being an advocate for this industry. That's the type of client that I want to work with. I think one tip I would give to a remodeling business owner is to allow yourself a little bit of room for failure. It's okay. You're going to learn more from doing something wrong than not doing something at all.